Good day guys, and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. So in this video you'll learn how to use Higgsfield AI to generate cinematic AI videos step by step from zero. Higgsfield AI is one of the most interesting AI tools right now for creating high quality cinematic video content using simple text prompts. In this tutorial I'll show you exactly how Higgsfield AI works, how to generate your first video, how to write good prompts, and what beginners should pay attention to. No prior AI or video experience required here. So firstly, let's make an introduction about what's this platform. So Higgsfield AI is an AI video generation platform focused on cinematic camera movement, realism, and storytelling. Unlike basic AI video tools, Higgsfield specializes in realistic motion, film-style camera angles, depth, lighting, and atmosphere, short cinematic clips. It's especially popular for cinematic shorts, trailers, ads, and creative storytelling. And this takes us to, of course, making our first account, which is pretty simple. So just go into the top and press on the sign up button over here, and we will, as you can see, be able to use 4 of these options. Just your email, generic, Microsoft account, Apple ID, and Google account. Choose the one that you wish, and let's continue. I'll just go ahead and choose my Google account, and let's see. Creating our account. There you go. So how do you plan to use Higgsfield? So you guys choose what you're going to use it for. Let me just choose personal use. How experienced are you? Let's say total beginner. There you go. And now, what do you want to create? Let me see. Video generations. Pretty simple. Continue. How did you hear about us? Not really relevant. Well, let's say Google search. What frustrates you the most about AI content? Well, for me personally, it existing is pretty confusing and frustrating. Okay, continue. Let's go. If you wish to buy a plan, go ahead. You see the prices on the screen. Alright, now our account is created. And after logging in, you will see the clean dashboard where all video generation happens. Everything in Higgsfield starts from a text prompt, so you don't need footage or assets. Alright, and in order to start generating, as you can see, we have the template in here, create a video. That's exactly what we need. So just click on it. And as you can see in here, guys, this is going to be our interface, I guess. So you just type in a prompt in here, choose a frame. I don't know what that is, start and end frame, choose whether to enhance or not. And then, of course, very important is to choose a model. So the model is going to be very important because different models create different results, especially for the video. So in my case, I will just choose, let me see, I'm just going to choose the VO. And I'll choose VO 3.1 from Google. Oh, it's the subscription based. All right, no problem. So let's go back. I'll close this. Go ahead, create a video. Let us just make it default so that it doesn't bother us with a subscription. All right, guys, and now don't forget that we need to write a very good, effective prompt for this. So this is the prompt important part of the tutorial. So a strong Higgsfield prompt should describe this. The subject, environment, camera movement, lighting and mood, and cinematic style. Alright, so this is my prompt. If you wish to read it and check it out, you will see that I of course have all of the points that I just read for you, like camera movement, subject, etc., and why this works. So it clearly describes motion, it defines atmosphere, it tells the AI how the camera should behave. So the more visual and descriptive your prompt is, the better the result will be. And also, if available, you can adjust the camera movement type, realism level, cinematic style, video length. And for beginners, keep default settings and just focus on improving the prompt first. Overtuning settings too early can actually make results worse. And if you do wish to tinker, you can choose the resolution, duration, let's set it as, oh, right, of course. And choose the model, and then click on Generate. Oh, start frame. Oh, so you need a start frame, interesting. All right, I hope this will suffice. And then you just press on generate, guys. Wait while the AI processes the video, and generation can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on complexity. Higgsfield also may generate multiple variations, which is nice. Always preview all of them. And if the result isn't perfect, that's completely normal. Instead of starting over completely, just adjust only one part of the prompt, change camera movement, and simplify the scene. So example improvement, for example, you can go make the camera movement slower and add stronger backlighting. Small changes, better control. And once you're satisfied, you can just export the video. And before using it publicly, just check the usage rights, confirm if commercial use is allowed, and review resolution and format. Most creators use Higgsfield videos for YouTube intros, short films, ads, and concept visuals. And now, before we finish up, let me also discuss with you the common mistakes of beginners. So they are as follows: vague prompts, no camera movement description, overloading effects, expecting perfect results on the first try. Think like a filmmaker, not like a keyword generator. Also, I will just once again leave you a screen with our pricing. Let me just find it. Okay, there's the upgrade, and you can just look at the price. And let's also talk briefly about the pricing. So Higgsfield AI typically uses a credit-based or subscription system. You usually get limited free generations, which are perfect for testing quality and learning how prompts work. And now, what do these paid plans give you? Firstly, more video generations, then higher quality or longer clips, faster processing, and broader usage terms. And because Higgsfield focuses on cinematic quality AI video, it's priced more like a creative tool, not a casual app. So if you plan to use the videos for content, ads, or branding, the paid plans are where it really becomes powerful. And let me talk to you about the conclusion. So, guys, this is how you use Higgsfield AI to create cinematic AI videos from scratch. You don't need no cameras, no editing software, just imagination and good prompts. So this is how you use this AI video generator. Also, you can scroll down and see, as you can see, we have some of the examples of what people make and made and what kind of results you can expect. As you can see, we have pretty cool transitions. Some flame transition looks pretty neat, to be honest, really nice. We've got other stuff. Everything looks stylish. As you can see, we have some explosion, some action-based effects, pretty nice. So you can just check them out. And yeah, maybe this will inspire you to have some ideas of your own. So in general, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this helped you out to create your first, or maybe not the first, AI generated video. If this tutorial helped you guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, we greatly appreciate it, and of course leave a comment. If you have any questions, make sure to ask us below. That's it for this one. Enjoy, and see you in the next one.